So chemical properties, dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. So here we are removing the hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen using catalyst. So here we are using copper at a 300 degrees Celsius. So this is the catalyst, student. So here we are taking primary alcohols RCH2OH. So primary alcohols on dehydrogenation at a copper by 300 degrees Celsius gives, see here students, remove one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. So what will happen is RCHO, we can get aldehyde. We can get aldehyde. So then what about secondary alcohols? Same thing, students, using copper at a 300 degrees Celsius. So remove one hydrogen here because we are dehydrogenation. So we are doing dehydrogenation. So removal of hydrogens gives R, C double bond O, R. So this is ketone, students. Ketone. So here what is the main thing is primary alcohols gives aldehydes. Secondary alcohols gives ketone. What about tertiary alcohols? But tertiary alcohols gives alkenes. So this is special. So I will write here. See here, students. In case of tertiary alcohols, HOH will be removed. So in case of tertiary alcohols, this is tertiary alcohol, this is secondary alcohols. So primary alcohols gives aldehyde, secondary alcohols gives ketone, tertiary alcohols in presence of copper at 300 degrees Celsius, water will be removed. Water will be removed and we can get alkene. So this is the dehydrogenation. In case of ethanol, primary alcohol, so CH3CHO. This is ethanol, aldehyde. Here, that means here we remove one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. Similarly, here also remove one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. Then we can get CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is 2 propanone, 3 carbons, propane. In second position, ketone is there, so 2 one. So in case of here, remove one OH here, one hydrogen here. So then we can get CH3, CH3, double bond CH2. So this is nothing but 2-methyl 1-propene. So this is alkene, students. So next chemical property is electrophilic substitution reaction. So normally electrophilic substitution reactions are shown by benzene ring. So actually we are discussing about alcohols. Suppose if you take any OH, benzene ring, normally phenols means benzene with OH. So this phenol contains benzene ring. Because of this benzene ring, electrophilic substitution reactions are possible. So one electrophile is replaced by another electrophile is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. One electrophile is replaced by another electrophile is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. So normal electrophilic substitution reactions are shown by the benzene ring. So now different types of electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene is. So all the reactions I am writing here in now we are going to discuss about dilute HNO3. Here two reactions are there. With concentrated HNO3 reaction is there and diluted HNO3 reaction is there. This is very important for objective students. So either in diluted NO2 or concentrated HNO3, electrophile is NO2 plus only. Here electrophile is NO2 plus only. So normally OH is a electron releasing group. Electron releasing group means Incoming nuclear field will attack on the ortho position and para position. So ortho and para directing groups. Ortho and para directing groups. Ortho and para directing groups. So ortho nitrophenol, para nitrophenol. So always para is the major because there is no interaction between this OH and NO2. No interactions means that is more stable. So this is the answer. So this is ortho and para directing group. So electron releasing groups are ortho and para directing groups. In case of, see here students, in case of this is ortho, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is possible. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intra means within a molecule. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is possible. So boiling point decreases or low. In case of here para, it will combine with another molecule. Another molecule means it forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding means boiling point is increases. That means high. So here decreases means low. Next, concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3. So here concentrated means more number of ions are possible. That means here at a time on phenol ring, ortho, this is also an ortho para. So its name is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol is formed. Its another name is picric acid. Its another name is picric acid. Even though it contains name acid, but it does not contain any carboxylic acid group. So in case of diluted HNO3, two products are possible. In case of concentrated HNO3, only single product is possible. And the next reaction is bromine. Bromine in water. So here students, two reactions are possible with bromine. So bromine in water means OH with a phenol ring. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol is formed. But in case of bromine in CS2 solvent, carbon disulfide. In case of carbon disulfide, different product is formed. That means just like first reaction, diluted. So ortho, orthobromophenol, parabromophenol. So actually always para is the major product because there is no interaction between 1 and 4th position substituents. So parabromophenol is the major product. Kolbe's reaction. So Kolbe's reaction means, so simply phenol. Students, first I am writing direct reaction, then I will explain mechanism. So phenol. Phenol or treatment with NaOH, then CO2, then H plus, so this is known as salicylic acid. So in case of, see the students here, phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide first, then H is replaced by sodium. So that means ONA. ONA, this is known as sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Then again sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide means so see the students here. Here one hydrogen is there. So this, see the students, it will rotate here, and H will goes out as the electrophile. This O is taken by, O takes the hydrogen, and here this benzene ring native part will attack on the carbon ring, carbon of carbon dioxide. That means we can get COO. See that students, COO H. So again we can treat with H plus. That means why we are treating with H plus? Na is replaced by H. Then we can get salicylic acid. So this is simple mechanism, students. So next reaction is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. This is very important reaction, students. So here also we are taking phenol. Phenol is treated with NaOH. So it gives sodium phenoxide. Again it is treated with chloroform. Actually on chloroform on treatment with base gives CCl2 plus HCl. Actually CCl2 is electrophile. Carbon contains 2 chlorines, 2 bonds, 4 electrons, and here 2 electrons. Totally 6 electrons it contains. So it contains only 6 electrons. It is electrophile. So on benzene ring, one hydrogen is there. So each carbon contains one hydrogen. So it no need to show. So hydrogen will leave as H plus. Then CCl2 will attach it to the one of the carbon. Then it becomes CHCl2. So 2 chlorines means we should take 2 water molecules, because 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorines as removes as 2 HCl. Then ONA, CH, OH twice. See the students, 2 chlorines are replaced by 2 OH groups. Actually on 2 carbons. So on 1 carbon 2 OH groups is not possible because it is highly unstable. That means one water molecule will be removed. So what will be remaining? CH. So in OH twice, H2O is removed. So we got O. Again so again reacts with H plus. That means we can get OH, CHO. So this is salicylaldehyde. So this is known as, students, salicylaldehyde. So students, actually we are taking phenol. Phenol is treated with NaOH. Then we can get sodium phenoxide. On treating with chloroform, CHCl2 will come on benzene ring in ortho position. And again addition of 2 water molecules replace the 2 chlorines. So 2 Cl2 is replaced by 2 OH groups, and 2 OH groups, and the carbon is highly unstable. So water molecule is removed, then we can get CHO. Again treated with H plus, then we can get salicylaldehyde. So salicylaldehyde is the major product in Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Kolbe reaction means salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Reimer-Tiemann means salicylaldehyde. These are the two important named reactions, students. Very important, students.